in this video, we're going to look at the worked solutions to the factorising quadratics questions. So first of all, we have x squared plus 8x plus 16. So like normal, we need to find a pair of numbers that multiply to equal c, which is in this case 16, and then these two numbers also need to add to equal 8. So let's start off by working out the factors of 16. So we're going to have 1 and 16, 2 and 8, and 4 and 4. And now we will test for the sum of 8. Okay, so we've got 1 plus 16, which equals 17, so that does not work in this case. 2 plus 8, which equals 10, which does not work in this case. And then 4 plus 4 equals 8, which does work in this case. So our answer for this question here will be bracket x plus 4, bracket x plus 4. Perfect. Okay, so let's have a look at question 2. We have x squared plus 4x minus 12. So same sort of thing, we want to start off by looking for factors of minus 12. So factors of minus 12, we can have 1 multiplied by negative 12, minus 1 multiplied by 12. We can also have 2 multiplied by negative 6, or minus 2 multiplied by 6. We can also have 3 multiplied by negative 4, or minus 3 multiplied by 4, and then we'll then stop there. Okay, so now we're looking to test the sum of 4. Okay, so we're going to basically sum all these together and see which ones equal 4. All right, so we've got 1 minus 12, which equals minus 11, does not work. Minus 1 plus 12 equals 11, does not work. 2 minus 6 equals minus 4, does not work. Minus 2 plus 6 equals 4, which does work. So that's our answer there. So we're going to use x minus 2, x plus 6. And that's our answer. Okay, let's go for the next one. So now I've got some y's involved, but it's a similar sort of process. So we'll start off by finding our factors of 64. Sorry, of minus 64. So we can have 1 multiplied by minus 64, or negative 1 times by 64, 2 times by minus 32, or minus 2 multiplied by 32. We can also have 3 won't go in, but 4 will go in. So we can have 4 multiplied by negative 16, or minus 4 multiplied by 16. 5 doesn't go into 64, 6 doesn't go in, 7 doesn't go in, 8 does go in. So we can have 8 multiplied by minus 8. I'm going to only do one variation of this because the other one will be the same answer. Okay, so now we'll test for the sum of minus 12. Okay, so we have first of all 1 minus 64, which equals minus 63, not the one we're looking for. Minus 1 plus 64 equals 63, not the one we're looking for. 2 minus 32 be minus 30, not the one we're looking for. Minus 2 plus 32 equals 30, not the one we're looking for. 4 minus 16 equals minus 12, and that is the one we're looking for. So our answer to this one here will be y plus 4, y minus 16. Okay. For the next one, we then have 2w squared minus 9w plus 4. So like normal, we'll start off by finding our factors of 4, even though this one has an a value greater than 1. Factors of 4. So we can have, and it's also got a negative b value as well. So that means we're going to need to have two negative numbers in our pair. So it's going to be minus 1 times by minus 4, or minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Okay, so now we're going to test for that sum to get to the 2w squared. But the difference here is that we'll write our brackets first and just choose to expand and then work out which way we can get it. Okay, so our options are essentially 2w minus Okay, so that's the only way we can get to 2w squared and still get our double negative. Okay, so it can either be -1 minus 4 or 2w minus 2 w minus 2. So we can test these both now. So 2w multiplied by w is going to be 2w squared. 2w multiplied by -4 will be minus 8w. -1 multiplied by w will be minus w. And -1 multiplied by -4 will be positive 4. So this will then simplify to be 2w squared minus 9w plus 4, which is the one we wanted at the start. So our answer to this one here is going to be 2w minus 1 bracket w minus 4. Okay. Now leading on to the last one, we then have 7x squared plus 8x plus 1. So same sort of idea here though. So it has got an a value greater than 1 of 7, but we still want to start by finding our factors of 1. There's no negative b value, so it's just going to be 1 and 1. And if we think the only way we can get to 7 by multiplying, because 7 is a prime number, our only layout is going to be 7x and x. So it's going to have to be 7x plus 1 and x plus 1. And we can check this by just expanding out our double brackets. 7x multiplied by x is 7x squared. 7x multiplied by 1 is 7x. 1 multiplied by x is x. And 1 times 1 is 1. So that means that our answer to this one here is 7x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay, I hope that helped you guys out. If you've got any questions at all, please comment below, and I'll do my best to help you guys out. Have a great day.